Veterans of WUFT's Fanfares and Fireworks. What is it, the 14th, 15th time you guys have played? Please welcome the Savants.
Good evening, America. How you doing? Feels so good to be back on this stage. We are the Savants. Let's kick it.
Charlie glares at the TV screen, feels that hate still brewing up strong. That dream they promise is so far out of sight. Lord, he's waiting for so long. Now! Oh, if he ever spoke to his neighbor, he'd see they got the same dream too. But when the TV says they're worthless, Charlie knows just what to do. And he'll tell you, right now it ain't me, but one day I'll be up there living free. So keep my spot open at the top, 'cause it's everyone down here I've got to stop. Charlie punches his ballot again for the last in a long line of self-made men, while locked doors and boarded windows sit outside 1,000 other stories of trying to survive. But he never looks up, no, just keep on moving. Oh, it's just so hard now, but his mind keeps telling him, right now it ain't me, but one day I'll be up there living free. So keep my spot open at the top, 'cause it's everyone down here I've got to stop. Right now it ain't me, but one day I'll be up there living free. So keep my spot open at the top, 'cause it's everyone down here I've got to stop. No, he never looks up, no, just keep on moving. No, he never looks up, no, you gotta keep on moving. No, he never looks up, not even a peep. Thank you, everybody here. Thank you for coming to see us here at Fanfare and Fireworks. To all y'all watching online, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're watching on PBS, I think federal funding got cut, so sorry you can't hear us. But thank you so much for making it out tonight. This next song is a new one. It's about when you can't really get to sleep at night. Familiar, huh? What the heck am I doing away? Why try to sleep right now? Still got time to play. It's a feeling that I know far too well. Yeah, my mind keeps running, and I'm running out of gas, hoping I can find some time to sleep and make it last. I took a stroll, 'cause maybe I can walk myself to sleep. Feels like these crickets are mocking me. I wish I understood empathy, but the sunrise disagrees. Yeah, my mind keeps running, but it's got nowhere to go. It's a feeling that I know all too well. Yeah, my mind keeps running, and I'm running out of gas, hoping I can find some time to sleep and make it last. Yeah, my mind keeps running, but it's got nowhere to go. And it's kept me up at night for too damn long. Yeah, my mind keeps running, and I'm running out of gas, hoping I can find some time to sleep and make it last. Oh, oh, make it last, make it last, hoping I can find some time to sleep and make it last. Woo! It's hard sometimes. We all know this. But there's a solution. And that's what this next song is all about. Woo! Happy birthday, America. Oh, you just hit town, you ain't been around, or let's catch up. We used to go downtown when we were young and get messed up. Let me see a twist. When I saw you walking down the street, look a little something for after the show. But when I left stage with a smile on your face, you were curled up on the floor. A puff, puff, pass out. Another wasted night, wasted away. Puff, puff, pass out. Hit, hit, and you hit the hay. Puff, puff, pass out. Crash out. Right onto a stranger's couch. When you puff, you pass right out. Oh, you called me up to apologize. I said no sweat. I told him I ain't mad and I'd really like to try it again. But when I saw you walking down the street, your eyes looked a little bit red to me. Come on, the night is young and so are we, but all you wanna do is sleep. A puff, puff, pass out. Another wasted night, wasted away. Puff, puff, pass out. Hit, hit, and you hit the hay. Puff, puff, pass out. Crash out. Right onto a stranger's couch. When you puff, you pass right out. Solo. Son, do you remember we were young and we can do anything that we wanted and more, and we didn't know the definition of boring. Now you're back in town, let's get together, partner, we can do anything. Oh, but you're fast asleep, I'll just leave you be so you can call me in the morning. Call away. Puff, puff, pass out. Hit, hit, and you hit the hay. Puff, puff, pass out. Crash out. Right onto a stranger's couch. When you puff, you pass. When you puff, you pass. You're gonna puff, you're gonna pass right out.
Thank you. All righty. And this rain made it a little hard for us, so we got to keep it on, keep it rolling. Had to cut some songs, unfortunately, but we got plenty of more for you. This one's about being on the road.
Oh, it's been weeks of heavy travel, and I'm feeling close to death. No warm embrace, I got to fill your space with cold coffee and a motel bed. I'm 500 miles away, but now I'm on my way. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. If I gotta beg or steal or borrow, push through the night till you're in my sight. I can't wait until tomorrow. And if the bus goes and breaks on down, I guess I'm walking from town to town. I'm coming home to you. From New York lights to the streets of Memphis, every town just fades to gray. Then I close my eyes, I see you oh so clearly. I'm coming home soon, I'll find a way. And if the trains are all shut down, give me a car and I'll start driving. But if there ain't no cars around, give me a bike and I'll get to riding. I'll do what I got to do. I made a promise and I keep it true. I'm coming home to you. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Susan to the stage. Oh, honey, if I'm stuck out in Mogadishu, it don't matter. I'm gonna be running home until I reach you. I said, baby, if I'm stuck out in London, England, woo, I hope not, but if I am, I'll be coming home, I'll be singing. Oh. I said, honey, even if I'm stuck out in Tokyo, don't worry, I'll be home, oh, before you know it. Anytime, any place, any distance, I'll be home.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you guys. Wait, is that cool? We got some help on stage. We're looking a little bare in the horns department. Y'all give it up again for Susan. Thank you so much. They're gonna play a couple songs with us. Thank you so much for learning these songs. And also a big shout out to our drummer, Kevin Fitz. This man learned a bunch of songs real quick, so we are getting all the help from Gainesville. Love you, America.
Why's it gotta be so hard to get ahead in this life? Man, it's exhausting trying to take it all in stride. I push away pulls me in. Oh God, my patience is wearing thin. My knees are shaking. I gotta stop and breathe again. Let me swing by real quick. I need it before I go and lose my mind. Let me swing by real quick. Complete it. A minute more and I'll be fine. Let me swing by real quick. So tight it makes me sick. I swear if you were there, you know you'd feel the same. You know you feel the same. Time's playing dirty tricks on me. I swear the last hour felt a little more like 3. I had enough of it, holding my tongue until it splits. Spin it how you like, but it don't make it right. Now every step that you take feels like the first step forward. When your mind is steady, focused, steady, reaching for more, you're never gonna learn. Holding your head in the sand. No point in trying to make you understand. Let me swing by real quick. I need it before I go and lose my mind. Let me swing by real quick. Complete it. 1 minute more and I'll be fine. Let me swing by real quick. So tight it makes me sick. I swear if you were there, you know you feel the same. So tight it makes me sick. I swear if you were there, you know you'd feel the same. You know you'd feel the same. You know you'd feel the same.
Thank you. Ooh, all right. Might be able to add. All right, cool. All right, let's keep it rolling. This is another new one, guys, with a good message. That's one we wrote because we mean it, guys. We mean it. We don't do this for the money. We do it for the people, and that's y'all.
your soul, and you take your pay, and they take your days, and it takes its toll. Sign over your soul. Never enough to control. Oh, I'd rather go broke. I'd rather go broke. I'd rather go broke. I'd rather go broke.
Medicine Man? Yeah, do we have we got like till 8:50? We have till 8:50? I don't know. How much time we got? Where's the people? Oh, he's gone. Oh, snap. How much time we got, Dave? 2? Okay. Perfect. All right. Good. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We're here for Fanfare and Fireworks. This is not the first time we've done it several times. And we love playing for you fine people. Love seeing the fireworks. And love seeing the Gainesville Community Band playing on after us. So give them a big shout out. Big shout out to Not Leaving Space for starting it out. And of course, our friends in Sousa. Thank you so much. This is what makes Gainesville great. We're about to play a song. This one's a cover. This song was written over 50 years ago. The lyrics are still important to this day, and they still go over a lot of people's head, including a certain head of state. I hope you like it.
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they red, white, and blue. And when the band plays hail to the chief, ooh, they point the cannon at you, Lord. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no Mr. Sun, no. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one. Some folks are born silver spoon in hand. Ooh, they help themselves, Lord. But when the tax man comes to their door, oh, their house look like a rummage sale. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no millionaire son, no. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate. Oh, Lord. Let's hear it, America. Let's hear it. Hey, hey, hey. Some folks inherit star-spangled lives. Ooh, they send you down the wall. And when you ask them how much should we give, ooh, they only answer more, 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 more. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no military son, no. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate. Whoa, Lord. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate. So no. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate. Whoa, no.
Alrighty, guys, this is our final song of the night. We love you, America. You're a melting pot, and I love you. And a melting pot is no place for ice.
When I was a young boy, father sat me down on his knee. He said there's two kinds of people, and there ain't no in between. Either you're stepped on, a tool for somebody else, or you get your boots on and climb that hill yourself. And he said, son, be strong. Don't let them see when you're wrong. Son, be strong. It don't matter if you ain't right. Oh, time's getting tougher. There's less and less space on that hill. So I had to keep lying so I can pay the bills. What a success now in my big new fancy car. I could see all the footprints on the men who never made it this far. Should I say, son, be strong. Don't let them see when you're wrong. Son, be strong. You'll be alright. Maybe there's more choices to find. Maybe I should have let myself cry. Broken lives and faces in my childhood places. I was a sucker the whole time. Help! So I'll say, son, be strong. Strong enough to be wrong. Son, be strong. You'll be alright. Son, be strong. Strong enough to be wrong. Son, be strong. You'll be alright. Alright, alright. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. Alright, alright, alright now. Here we go. Thank you guys so much. We are the Savants. Thank you, Sousa. Y'all stick around for the Gainesville Community Band. Happy birthday, America.